On this video today, I'm going to show you a free method that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly and it does not require any investment. It is also available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. If you want, you can find other affiliate networks and then join. But you can follow these same steps and you are going to be making money. Digistore24 is one of the best and is available worldwide. So you can join Digistore24 for free and you can receive your payment through your bank accounts, your PayPal accounts, Payoneer, wire transfer. Those are the methods that you can use to receive your money anytime you make a sale. Once you have created your accounts and joined, what you have to do is that you have to find a product to promote. To find the product, you have to click here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money. There are a lot of them. Any of the categories that you click on, you are going to find a digital product that you can promote and then earn money anytime you get a sale. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want green products, you can click right here and then get products that you can promote under that category. If you want games and fans, you can click on it. If you want food and drinks, you can click on it. Fitness and health, you can click on it. There are a lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can just click on it and then find a digital product that you can promote to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. The best part is that if you don't want to promote the digital products, you can also promote events and seminars. You can promote physical products. Any product that you want, you can promote on Digistore24. You are going to be making money when you get a sale. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a physical product. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you can see under the physical products, they have skincare and supplements. So you can choose any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to be promoting a supplement. So click on it. Once you click on it, when you scroll down, you can see there are many supplements that you can promote. The first one is Icing Power. You can see it, Icing Power. The commission rate is $113.54. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale of the product. You can see the popularity is high. It has a 5-star rating. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, you can see many details about the product. This is the price that your potential customers are going to be paying and you are going to be earning the commission rate right here, $113.54. You can see the product was added 2 years ago. This is the cart conversion rate, 10%. So it means if you promote it to people, you are going to get 10% of them buying the product. You can see the cancellation rate is 6.7. If you want, you can promote it because it is one of the good products that you can promote to earn money. When you scroll down, you can see another product. You are going to be earning $134.65 per every sale that you get. The popularity, it has a 5-star rating. So this is also a good product that you can promote. It was added 37 weeks ago. You can see it. The cart conversion rate is 8%. So just scroll down and then select any of the products that you want. You can see many of them. The next one is Tonic Greens. It has a 5-star rating and the commission rate is $103.21. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, you can see many details about it. It was added 39 weeks ago. The cart conversion rate is 16%. And you can see this is the price of the product. The cart conversion is very good because it is 16%. That means if you promote it to people, you are going to get 16% of the people buying the product. So let's say you are promoting to 100 people, you get 16% of those people buying the product, or 1,000 people, you get 16% of those people buying the product. The cancellation rate is very low. You can see 5.5%. You can see it right here. So this is also a good product that you can promote. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting the Tonic Greens. You can see Tonic Greens. So this product helps people to boost their immune system. You can see it right here, boost the immune system. So it helps people to boost their immune system. If you want to get more information about the product, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on sales page. Once you click on it, you are going to see a video like this. If you want, you can click on the sound button so that you can watch the full video and then get more information about the product. If your potential visitors click on your link, they are also going to see this page. So make sure you get to know more information about the product through this page so that you can communicate the right information to your potential investors, so that when they click on your link, they can go ahead and then buy the product for you to make money. The good part is that on this landing page, the product owner is always giving updates about people who have purchased the product. You'll be seeing pop-up messages here telling you people who have bought the product. You can see this one, verified purchase. This person bought the product from the United States. You can see the person bought one bottle. They constantly give updates about people who purchase the product. You can see right here they have 60-day money back guarantee. This is trustworthy information that can get people to buy the product, since they know that they can get their money back if the product does not work the way they expect it to work for them. You can see everything. They have different price that your potential visitors can choose. They have 79 per bottle, $49 per bottle, they have $59 per bottle, and the best part is that they have free shipping. You can see free shipping. So when your customers buy the product, they are going to ship the product to them for free. You can see everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin promoting the product so that you can get people to purchase it for you to earn money from home. Once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. In this case, you can see this is my affiliate link. If you are new to the product, you are going to see a button here, promote now. You have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. For example, you can see this product, I have not promoted it. That is why you are seeing promote now. In your case, you are also going to see something like this. Click on promote now so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this link so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. You have to find a traffic source so that you can get people who will click on it and then purchase the product. You can use free traffic method or you can use the paid traffic method. In this case, I'm going to be showing you the free traffic method that you can use to get people to click on this link and then purchase the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today, most of the visitors are from the United States. The people who use the website, most of them are from the United States. You can see right here, this is the percentage. United States, 67.36%. You can see it right here. United States is one of the tier 1 countries, so we are going to be targeting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for us to make money. The website that we are going to be using today is classifiedny.com. So I don't know how to pronounce it well, but that is how best I can tell you. On this website, you can post your ads for free. You can post your ads to any country that you want. You can post your ads to any states in the United States that you want. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can post your ad. You can see they have real estate category. You can scroll through and then select the right category that you want. They have jobs category. They have for sale category. You can see services. Any of the categories that you want, you can select it and then post your ad onto the platform. In this case, we are going to be selecting the for sale category. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can post your ad onto the platform. To create an account, click here, join free. Once you click on it, you're going to enter your username, enter your email address, enter your name, enter your last name, and then click on register so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post a free ad. Once you click on it, you are going to select the state that you want to post your ad. When you click on it, you can select any state in the United States. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select any state that you want. You can see many states. In this case, I'm going to select New York. Once you select the state, you can click on it and then select any city in the state that you want. You can see a lot of different cities in New York that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to leave it with this city. Once that is done, you're going to choose a category. So click on it. Once you click on it, select for sale. Once that is done, you are going to select the subcategory. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for health because the product is about how to improve your immune system. So you can see health and beauty. Select that. Once that is done, you can see your ad title. You have to enter a title of your ad. You can write your own title, but if you don't know how to write a title, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google. Once you come on Google, search for the name of the product and add review. You can see tonic greens review. Once you search for it, you are going to scroll down so that you can see reviews about the product. Once you scroll down, you can see these are reviews about the product. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to click on one of them so that you can get some brief information that you can use as part of your ad. In this case, I'm going to select this review, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the article. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then get the information about the product. You can see these are information about the product. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to get a title for our ad. If you want, you can copy the name of the product, or you can copy the subtitle. You can see it right here. Any of them that you want, you can use it. In this case, I'm going to copy the name of the product. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can add a subtitle. So you can add anything that will get people to click on your link and then buy the product. So what you have to do is that you have to add something like boost your immune system and keep your body healthy. I think this is okay. If you want, you can use a different title. I suggest you should use a different title, because if you use this same title, this website is going to see it as an ad duplicate. So just change it a little bit so that your ad can also run on the website. Once you have entered your ad title, the next step is that you're going to enter the price. You can go back on Digistore24. Once you go back, you can get the price of the product. When you come back on Digistore24, let me scroll down to show you. You can see this is the price of the product. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the price, the next step is that you are going to add a description. You have to write some brief information about the product. So you can go back on the review of the product. Once you come back, just copy some text so that you can paste it as your description. In this case, I'm going to copy the first part of the article. So just highlight to any point that you want. Once you highlight it, you are going to right click and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here as your description. Once that is done, you are going to write a call to action so that when people read about the product, they can click on it and then buy the product for you to make money. So you are going to type something like click here to learn more, something like this. Click here to learn more. Once you have your call to action like this, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link so that when they read it, they can click on your affiliate link. To insert your affiliate link, you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, highlight and copy your affiliate link. As you can see, that has been done. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight your call to action, you are going to click on this globe icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Paste your URL here. That is your affiliate link. Paste it right here. You can see this is my name, so make sure you always see your name at the last part of your affiliate link. You can see it here. Once you have inserted your affiliate link, you are going to click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can see the text is linked to your affiliate link. So when people read the description, they are going to click here so that they can get access to the product through your affiliate link. Once that is done, if you want, you can enter your phone number here, but it is optional. I don't want to add my phone number here, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see receive response to your ask by email. So I want people to email me if they have any question about the product. If you want, you can also select phone number, but in this case, you have not entered a phone number, so just leave it with the email. Once that is done, you are going to click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, the next step is that you have to upload images of the product. If you want to upload images, you can do that. You can see it right here. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for tonic greens. Once you search for it, click on images. Once you click on images, you can see a whole lot of different images about the product that you can download. In this case, I'm going to download this image. So right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once that is done, click on save and then let me replace it. Once you save the image, what you have to do is that you have to click on browse. Once you click on browse, you're going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Once that is done, you're going to click on save so that your ad can be published. As you can see, your ad has been published. Success. Thanks for posting your ad. And then the title, your ad has been posted to the platform, so you are going to be getting people who click on it and then purchase the product so that you can be making commissions on Digistore24. The key to success with classifieds website is that you have to keep on posting different ads. You have to keep on posting different ads so that you can get traffic to your affiliate link. If you post one ad and expect thousands of sales, you are not going to get results. Make sure you keep on posting. It is free. Many people are competing on the same platform, so you have to keep on posting so that your ad can get noticed and you are going to get people who click on your affiliate link, purchase the product so that you can be earning money. Apart from promoting affiliate products, you can also create your own digital product and then sell it so that you can be making money. You can sell your product at any price that you want, and the best part is that you don't need any skills to create them. You don't need any experience. I have written a book showing you step by step on how to create and sell your own digital products without any skills and without any experience. You don't need to invest a lot of money. All that you need to do is that you have to click on this link at the description of the video, so that I will show you everything that you need to do so that you can create your own digital product and then sell it. So just click on this link at the description of the video. Once you click on it, it is going to take you to a page like this. You can see this is the book and you can see the description. As you can see right here, I have reduced the price so that everyone can get access to this book. Within the next coming weeks, I'm going to increase the price to the original price. You can see $13.92, but right now it will cost you $2.49. If you want to get access before I increase the price, what you have to do is that click on download now. Once you click on download now, you are going to enter your details so that you can make your payment. Once you make your payment, you can get access to the book so that you can learn how to create your own digital products and then sell them online. You can create your own products, recruit affiliates so that they will sell it for you to make money. Sometimes you don't need to sell your own digital products. You can recruit affiliates who will sell the products and you are going to pay them commission whilst you earn the money. You don't need to do anything. All that you need to do is that you have to get this book so that you get to know everything about creating and selling digital products.